Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing some barbecuing and some product testing. So the products I've got today are from a company called Pip and Nut. They really kindly sent me some peanut butters to try. There's also some like chocolate spreads as well, but let me show you what I've got. So we've got a chocolate orange and almond butter, we have a regular smooth peanut butter, we have a coconut almond butter, and what I'm going to be using today is a crunchy maple peanut butter. I thought this would go kind of well in a satay sauce because when I went to Asia there was quite a lot of sweet sauces for satay. So with the maple syrup in with the peanut butter, it kind of makes it on the more sweet side of things. So with the maple syrup in the peanut butter, it kind of gives it that sweet edge. So it's October here in the UK and the weather is still tropical. How is this possible? This never happens. But it's great news for me because I can get the barbecue out, get the coals lit and do some grilling. So the weather's nice, the barbecue's lit. Let me show you how to make this dish. So very simple, I've got some marinated chicken in a bowl. The marinade is simply turmeric, ginger, garlic and a little bit of vegetable oil. I'll put the link to the full post for all the ingredients and all the timings in the description box below. Check it out and then you can make this really easily. So once the chicken is all threaded onto the skewers by the way are pre-soaked for half an hour. Make sure you do that, even if you're doing it under the grill, which you can do if you don't want to barbecue it. It'll just save those skewers from turning from wood to charcoal. When the coals are nice and hot and the skewers are all ready, just put the chicken directly over the coals. Turn it every now and again just to get that nice even colour, and you can just slice into the thickest part, have a look inside. If there's no pink in there, it's ready. I'm using chicken thighs as well, as opposed to chicken breast. You can use chicken breast, but it does tend to go quite dry. I definitely recommend using chicken thighs. So for the satay sauce, you want to put garlic, shallots and ginger into a pestle and mortar along with some lemongrass. Just beat it until it's nice and smooth. Just pound away at it until you've got a nice smooth paste. If you want to do it in a food processor, you can do, whichever way is easiest for you. Both methods work just fine. Once all that's pounded together, add some coriander, some lime juice, a little bit of fish sauce and some turmeric. Pound that all together as well just to make it nice and smooth. And then add some peanut butter in. A little bit of warm water just to loosen the mix a little bit to give you a nice sauce consistency. Taste it, add some fish sauce if you want a bit more of a salty hit, or add a bit more lime juice for a bit more sour. So once the chicken's ready, just take it off the grill, onto a plate, a little bit of a side salad, the sauce and serve it. Easy as that. So the peanut butter actually made a huge difference to the final dish. It really did give that nice sweet kick that I was looking for. It was just like being back in Bangkok or Singapore. So I really hope you do try this recipe and also look out for Pip and Nut's products. I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can check them out. Also as well, I've got loads more products to go through. I will be doing more recipes, so stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Plenty more content to come on this channel. You can also follow me on social media, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. And I will see you on the next video.